Good evening, LinkedIn members. This is Das and Das Kishore. I'm the second employee of Brands Revenue. Yes, I'm talking about the new topic. It is the new episode. I've been talking for quite some time. So the new topic is all about AI software, and we did spoke about AI software in ERP industry. Right, so today we will talk about AI software in computer vision, machine vision, and autonomous vision. I have a little bit of notes because I have structured the conversation to be less than 15 minutes target, because last video was more than close to 20 minutes, which led me to move to YouTube, upload the video, and then post it. And I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to earn from YouTube as such. I only want to help people. This video is not to make money intention. Okay, so we are going to talk about computer vision, machine vision, and autonomous vision on three subjects, especially on the AI software. So you might be wondering, what is this guy? It's Sunday and he's working. Is he so desperate, or is he so workaholic? No, I am not a workaholic. I strike a balance very well. My Saturdays are absolutely for the family. I encourage our employees to do the same as well. We expect them to spend good 2 days time with them, with their family, without thinking about the work. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing it today is Shaka calendar. Might be a new word for you, because when we were studying, if you are in the age group of 40 and 45, then you might have read books, or even more. You might have read books that in your childhood that we follow Gregorian calendar. But I think it's not the right information. Right now, we follow Shaka calendar. I remember in CBSE board during my education learning Gregorian calendar. I'm not sure whether what you have read, but right now it's Shaka calendar, and the Shaka calendar talks about first week of the day is Ravi, the planet for Ravi, Ravivar, right? So today is the first day we are supposed to work. I'm not sure why our organizations or our businesses have started inculcating that into the real-time scenario. Looks like it's quite impractical. Reason being, Sunday has got into everybody's mind that it's a resting day, right? So I'm not supporting Jew, or I'm not supporting Romans. I'm just supporting Shaka because I stay in India. Okay. So if you want to know a little bit more about Shaka, they say that the reason why we moved into Shaka calendar is because it's older than 78 years. It is older than a Gregorian calendar, which is 78 years, which is basically declared or published by Prithvi Narayan Shah, who is the Mohar of Gorkha, basically a Nepali king. Okay, and that's a quick history. This Ravi, Soma, Mangala, Buddha, Brahspati, Shukra, and Shani Var is all the days all about in Shaka calendar. Okay, so I've given some general knowledge in this technical conversation. So let's move on to the technical conversation, right? So now, computer vision, machine vision, and autonomous vision, right? So I'm pretty sure a lot of companies are venturing and already ventured and offering a great solution in artificial intelligence software area, where they are helping autonomous vision company. They're also helping computer vision company and machine vision company. Now, a lot of business owners or business founders misunderstand this all three words into one, saying vision. Now, it's not necessary that all the visions are same. Let me quickly explain the difference. Computer vision is something where you are connected to the internet on an IoT product, and you are looking at the environment through an IoT product, and that's what is called a computer vision. Machine vision is basically a LiDAR which comes into. So this computer vision can be from camera, can also be from LiDAR. But when it comes to machine vision, mostly it is a LiDAR, or very minimally it is camera, because this is a machine which works, which actually, let's say, sorting vision, basically sorts the quality of the tomato based on the size, color, and also sorts the rice and sorts the various things, right, in the food industry as well. So there are many other industry in the agriculture as well. So this is machine vision, which basically identifies the object exactly on what is supposed to be based on the data fed into it. And it might be a LiDAR, it might be a camera, and it might be a customizable camera, it can be a non-customizable camera, it can be an NVIDIA solution which has a lot of these things already incorporated. And focal system is one of the other company who makes this AI cameras as well. AI cameras is going to be the future. So autonomous vision is nothing but a LiDAR is not involved here, a radar is involved here, along with the LiDAR, where radar and LiDAR are combining together, and on the various mechanism of radar and mechanism of LiDAR, autonomous vehicles are driven, self-driven, and autonomous vacuum cleaners, autonomous forklift machines, autonomous various things in the industrial safety as well. So this autonomous part has to be backed up with the safety standards. Although the companies are trying to satisfy the requirement, they're finding it real challenge. So that's the reason why these autonomous companies are taking time to come to the market. Okay, now diving deeper into this subject, right, in terms of the computer vision, right? So all of these three different visions together needs a support. Right, so what people are doing right now, the AI software companies are doing right now, is they are integrating the library models which is available, or libraries which is available in Google Cloud. There are various libraries where the data-oriented companies are providing. So they are buying that custom libraries which has the data sets into it, which basically knows that industry very well. Now if you're looking at autonomous vehicle data, autonomous driving data sets, the data library has enough data to make sure that 98 or 95% of accuracy can be achieved through your AI, because there is so much of data which can detect, which can be integrated in the software, and the software can detect this library models from the library models database and detect the real-time scenario. However, all the companies train this library models to make sure that the AI vision goes to 99.99 accuracy. All right. Now this is where is the subject all about. Now, if you are a company who are providing a solution on human in the loop, which is nothing but a human intervening and advising the machine in decision making, right? So this is called human in the loop, where there is a lot of human in the loop solution companies. There are about 13 video oriented solution companies, including Amazon, Dataloop, Datapure. There are many companies. Okay, and when it comes to image annotation, there are about 10 companies, or even more than that. They're the top list, right? So they are for doing the annotation, training your models. They already have the models integrated, and this model is going to integrate when you connect with these platform integrates with your AI vision, so that your AI vision can be more intelligent and take more wiser decision and throw very less low confidence results. So what is low confidence results? If your machine is looking at something, and if the machine vision is not able to determine a very clear decision, so it is triggered as low confidence results to the human in the loop platform, like the tools what I've mentioned. All you need to do is Google, right? You need to Google or Bing, because Bing is investing a lot in their search, so they have integrated with ChatGPT-4. So Bing it and Google it to understand where these annotation is required. Okay, image annotation and video annotation. So I categorize this into two different versions. One is image annotation, Image annotation or image oriented companies who has the source as image and they are giving a solution. The other is video oriented organization who uses the source as video to identify predominantly autonomous oriented vision or machine vision. Sometimes images are mostly computer vision and machine vision sometimes. Okay, so why I'm dividing this into two categories? Because the source of their vision is either a video or either an image which is used by which is captured like a JPG format or any format, okay, JSON format or whatever, right? So that's an output basically. Now moving on, there are other audio annotation as well. There is other audio and there are various other things where AI companies are focusing on. I'm not getting there. That's a deep subject. So coming back to our subject, right? So now if you are a company who has an HITL solution or a human in the loop solution, or if you are a company who focusing on this annotation or helping AI software companies or AI companies to maximize the result with your tool, I highly encourage you to divide this into two different segments, majorly for image and also for video. That gives a clarity because customers work. Of course, I see a lot of companies have mentioned saying that they focus on these application and industries. Yes, it makes a lot of sense, but you can be making more sense when you divide this based on image and video and then subdividing to applications and to the industry, because that can be more relevant, because that's the first information what any AI solution company is going to look at you in terms of the help what you're providing. Are you providing a image? Are you expert in image handling or are you expert in video handling, right? So you might lose video handling companies easily because they might judge that you might not be good in video. Let's say autonomous driving industry, the products, the solution is implemented in California, right? And so we need to, the companies would be scaling up, right? There are a lot of autonomous trucks, who's going to come to the market, which is going to shunt the goods from one place to another. So think about these angles. Divide this into image and video. So nothing but last, I would like to remind you about our sales strategy sales positioning and our unique approach for your business challenge, which is nothing but you pay an Indian rupees of 1,000 rupees and that is just to hold you accountable that you are serious about it. And if you think that while meeting us in person, if you think that the strategy which is given spontaneously is not convincing for you, it is refunded right away, right on the spot. Now, why are we doing this? I got a call from one of our client who is from the US. Said, why don't you do this online? You could target the world. Yes, I appreciate your suggestion, Mr. Customer, but unfortunately, I believe in a fact that first I have to be sound locally, then nationally, and then internationally. So I go by that basics. So I want to make sure that in Bangalore, whoever are there, please visit us. It's good to see face to face. I'm not going to sell you any product, or you don't have to take our services. It's just the collaboration, because not now, maybe after 5 years or 10 years we will work together until I earn that credibility from you. But this is my encouragement that please feel free to drop in. It's just a 2 hours crisp session. It is happening in our office in Whitefield in Bangalore. So please come and let's see, I'm able to meet your intelligent quotient, and if I don't, I will learn from you. But I'm not doing a test. I challenge you. Maybe I will refund your transportation charges as well. Like, for example, if you think that you're wasting your gas or fuel, I will pay you for the fuel as well. Okay, this is not an arrogance. This is just a commitment on what I'm trying to establish with you, because I'm not taking you lightly. I have prepared myself well, and I think I'll be able to meet your expectation. Thank you so much. You have a great week ahead, and yes, Shaka calendar. Let the Shaka calendar rule the world, and yes, let's start working from Sunday if things work out, and let Friday, Saturday be a weekend. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. You have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.